Hello everyone, welcome to INS Creations Ltd, your go-to channel for creative design tips and tutorials. I am excited to show you how to create a professional and eye-catchy trifold brochure using Canva, a free and easy-to-use design tool. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced designer, this step-by-step tutorial will guide you through the process to ensure your brochure not only looks amazing but also effectively communicates your messages. By the end of this video, you will have the skill design brochures that stand out and captivate your audience. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our future design tutorials. Now, let's jump into the Canva and get started. After create a page for a trifold brochure, go to the element and from the shape, take this rectangle shape and adjust it on the right corner of the page. This would be our first page of the brochure, and after this take this round shape and adjust it all over the pages like this, and again go to the element and search for a frame. Take this round frame and from the border give it a border in white color. Adjust it over the shapes on right corner. Now take a text box and type Creative Marketing Agency. Remove the line spacing and make it smaller and give the letter spacing and place it under the round frame and change the font style. Then take a text box and type Grow Your Business with Us. Make it smaller and change the font style in Poppins and adjust it under the Creative Marketing Agency. Now from the elements search a marketing agency pictures. Take this picture and adjust it with the frame. Now from the elements search for a logo about marketing company. Take this, rotate it and change the color in white. And adjust it on the right corner of our shapes. And now take a text box, type the company name. Type the name and adjust it under the logo. Change the font style too. Now go to the element and again take a round shape and adjust it on the left corner of the page. And take this round frame again, adjust it in smaller version and take a text box and write the text. Change the font style in handwriting and again take a text box and type the text. Now take this text box and adjust it on the under, and now take it another text box and type About Us. select us and change the color, and go to the element search line and take this line and adjust it like this. Change the color in red. Now paste the dummy text and adjust it under the pictures and the about us. And change the color of the text. And now copy the frame and adjust it under the page of left corner. And now go to the element and search for a text icon or a chat icon. Take this chat icon and place it on the middle sections, and take a text box and type the number. Take a text box and type the text. And again, for the contact details, take a text box and type get in touch. Press Alt and copy the line and place it under the get in touch. Now take a text box and type phone, email and website addresses. After adjusting the contrast, now go to the elements and search for a QR code. Take this QR code, and for the QR code, go to the shape and take this rectangle shape. Adjust it under the QR code. Now take a text box and type scan for more. Adjust it with the QR code, and again press Alt and copy the line and place it under the scan for more. Make this thing little bit bigger and place the logo under QR codes. Now move to the second page, actually the back page of the brochure, and take a round shape and adjust it all over the pages. And for this also take these round frames and adjust it on 3 sections like this. Let's change the picture. Now take a text box and type the text for middle section. Paste the dummy text under the broad texts. Now take a text box and place it on the right section and type where it chooses us, and select where and change the color. Again give it a line and paste the dummy text. Now again take a text box and type our services on the left corner, and again pasted line, pasted dummy text under the services. And now take a text box, type the services, type business solution, go to the element and search for an icon for a business solution. Take this icon, and for the icon take this round shape and adjust the icon over the round shape and adjust with the business solution. And for this paste the dummy text too. Adjust this icon and the text. And now for the next service, marketing strategy, find the icon for it like previous, adjust it like this. That's it. Now take a text box and type get ready to grow. Adjust it on the middle part under the frame. Now adjust all the things. Here it is, a trifle brochure design for creative marketing agency. If you need this kind of design or any other design you have, like flyer design, brochure design, annual report cards, or presentation design, or any other custom design, please contact with us. Our contact details attached in our description box. Thank you for watching. Stay with INS Creations Ltd.